Imagine opening an Excel file, instantly seeing what changed, what was deleted, and what's performing best without using any macros. Let me show you how. In this video, we are going to track changes in Excel using conditional formatting, no VBA and no complexity. First, we need to create a copy of our file. One will be our original, and I'll rename the second one tracked data. Why are we doing this? Because Excel doesn't automatically remember previous values, so we need a reference point to compare against. This original sheet will remain untouched, and all changes will happen in the tracked data sheet. Part 1. Highlight changes in green. Now, let's highlight any changes compared to the original data. You'll go to Conditional Formatting, click on New Rule, use a formula at the bottom. So now we are going to click on cell A2. Now, as you can see, this has some absolute references, the dollar signs. We have to remove that. So we'll highlight this part and press Fin F4. Sometimes it's F4 only. And then these two signs. Now we'll click the original sheet, click A2 again, and remove the absolute references. Now, let's do the formatting. Let's add a green colored font. Now click OK. Now any change you make will instantly be highlighted in green. Have a look at all these values. Look, the changes I'm making, all appearing in green, and automatically the totals are changing, so that's turning to green as well. The growth percentages are changing as well. Part 2, highlight deletions. Now let's handle deletions, and this part is very important. We are using conditional formatting, not VBA or macros. Conditional formatting cannot track what exact value was deleted. It can only detect that the cell is now empty. If you want full tracking of deleted data, you will need VBA, which we'll cover later in a future video. But here's the good part. We can highlight when something gets deleted. We are going to use a function known as ISBLANK. So again, let's go to Conditional Formatting, New Rule, Formula, equals ISBLANK, and select cell A2. Remove the absolute references. Hit Enter. OK. But make sure that it's applied to the entire data set. Now, whenever data is deleted, the cell turns red, giving you a clear visual signal. Step 3. Remove all conditional formatting. To remove any conditional formatting, we'll just go to Conditional Formatting, go to Clear Rules, and then Clear Rules from entire sheet. Finally, now let's use AI for any final touching up on conditional formatting. So the prompt that we would type is very simple. Add conditional formatting of your choice to my data. Make it more professional. You'll see that AI prepared all different types of conditional formatting. You'll find traffic lights, you'll find fill boxes, you'll find data bars based on highs and lows. Amazing, right? So now you can track changes, detect deletions, and even analyze performance, all using conditional formatting. In the next video, we'll take this further using VBA to properly track deleted data. See you there, and subscribe my channel for more tutorials.